Our last destination in Andaman was Neil Island, now renamed as Shaheed Island in remembrance of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. It's a very small island and we booked our ferry from Havelock for this place. Here too you can get scooties on rent just on same rate as on Port Blair and Havelock. Major attraction in Neil Island is the natural bridge beach, which is indeed a wonder. I will recommend to come to Neil Island if you want to have some peace of mind or a beautiful holiday and you love landscapes and sunsets. Next day we spent our lazy afternoon at Lakshmanpur beach. Life is much slower at Neil Island if I compare it with other places of Andaman. Just relax, spend quality time here. And later we went to Bharatpur beach, which was quite buzzing with tourists. And that was our last sight to see here.
Oh, Vinkai! My goodness, you are also here. Saurabh Megabond is also here. What a pleasant surprise, man. Nice to meet you.
I'm good traveler.
Oh, yeah.
After that we took our ferry and came back to Port Blair. Yeah, holidays were ended with good memories. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe the channel if you have not yet, and I'll be seeing you in my next destination very soon. Until then, have a wonderful time.